Beautiful. Those are excellent choices.
Where do you want the tablecloth here?
Okay, which tablecloth did you bring?
This one here. It's rectangle.
Okay.
I don't know if this one.
Okay, yeah, I like that better than mine. Well, I've got this golden.
Oh, that's pretty.
Now this is what's gonna go along the base of the flowers.
Oh, okay.
So,
I'll try some out and then you say yeah or no. Is this kind of
see, I'll tell you what, why don't you take this and take that and we're gonna unroll to see how, I think usually is,
How long it is?
yeah, usually a sorry, I mean, I ironed it, I don't know how long it is, but I don't know how long it is to what you've got up there. They're usually eight yards.
This is for a salad? Was that?
It was back there, somebody,
Oh my goodness. Yeah, it is a wraparound, right? A sorry,
I think we might be able to come down the stairs with it.
Okay.
So we'll find middle, and then that will tell us what our options are, right?
Yeah, look how long it is. You mean one woman wears all this fabric?
Always, you always wear, you haven't
Oh,
always.
you haven't seen Laura put on a sari
No.
before?
I'll put a sari on there.
Amazing.
Okay,
You want this?
come here, stand up, this is show and tell. Okay, so this is a one size fits all thing.
Oh,
okay?
wow.
Yep. All right, so it's easier to put it on yourself than it is, but, okay, so we're gonna pull this.
You been to
over.
India?
I lived in Texas as a kid. Okay, so we're going. Now, I have to tell you this won't work because we should have a string on the waist. Oh. Okay. But we didn't. Okay, and then we go forward and backward.
Whoa.
How about if you go around easy?
Right? Oops. Oh, I wonder who it belonged to.
It's damaged goods. It's standard.
Maybe we Sheila was
So you have to understand that some of this material was for your shirt,
Wow.
okay? Because the shirt was made, but everything else is always just put on. Okay, so now that gets tucked in. Then this comes around.
Oh, I will be afraid to go to the bathroom.
Okay, we're gonna undo a couple of those. In like your waist. Okay, then look up. Wait. Yep. And then this pajama, this goes across like this. And then see all this pretty stuff?
Oh, wow.
This goes over your shoulder. Like that.
Oh, look at this. I'm a Buddha.
And it would, you know, be perfection, but you get the general idea.
Hey, Patrick, look at me. Come and see.
Oh, yes.
She found it in the back. Laura found it in the back.
Perfect.
Anyway, so it would be done precisely and neatly and all of that, but that's the basic, and then this has a nice little loop to it down here. So that's,
Instead of decorating the altar,
yeah, we're decorating you.
Wow, beautiful.
So,
So
So you have one like this?
I have, actually, I have quite a few.
Several? Wow.
I have,
How long were you in India?
A year. Oh, we were in
A year.
Pakistan,
Oh,
same
okay.
thing. Okay,
Okay, where we did.
so, you wanna take that?
Okay, well, I stopped in the middle of my job because it went wonky and I couldn't do it by myself. No, there are.
Oh, the thing's fell.
Second one. yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
alright. So just put this here for right now.